Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of altcoins, and I'm going to give you my system for finding altcoins that could potentially make you a lot of money. See, the altcoin market is like a vast ocean, full of hidden treasures and treacherous currents. It can be incredibly intimidating for newcomers, especially with all the noise and hype out there. In this video, we'll walk you through a concise strategy to identify altcoins with strong growth potential. We'll break it down step by step so you can confidently navigate the market and make informed investment decisions. Let's get started. Alright, so you want to find the next big altcoin, right? Well, it all starts with identifying a strong narrative. Think of it like this. What are the big trends shaping the world right now? It could be anything from artificial intelligence and decentralized finance to gaming and the metaverse. These are the narratives that are capturing people's imaginations and driving investment. Look for altcoins that are directly aligned with these trends and offer real-world solutions. For example, if you believe in the future of decentralized finance or DeFi, you might look for altcoins building innovative platforms for lending, borrowing, or trading crypto. The key here is to find projects that are solving real problems and have the potential to disrupt existing industries. Don't just chase the latest buzzword, focus on the underlying value proposition. Remember, a strong narrative is like a tailwind. It can propel an altcoin to new heights. So do your research, identify the narratives that resonate with you, and look for altcoins that are riding those waves. Now, once you've identified some promising narratives, it's time to dig deeper and look at the fundamentals of the altcoins themselves. This is where you separate the wheat from the chaff, because a good story is only as good as the team behind it. Start by researching the team's experience, credibility, and track record. Have they worked on successful projects before? Are they transparent about their backgrounds and qualifications? A strong team is crucial for any project's success. Next, analyze the project's technology, roadmap, and white paper. Does the technology make sense? Is the roadmap realistic and achievable? A well-written white paper should clearly outline the project's goals, technology, and tokenomics. And don't underestimate the power of community. Active communities often indicate strong support and adoption. Check out the project's social media channels, forums, and Telegram groups to get a sense of the community's sentiment. Finally, make sure the token has practical use cases and isn't just hype. How is the token used within the ecosystem? Does it have real utility? If applicable, audit the project's smart contracts. Look for third-party audits, for example CertiK or Hacken, to ensure the code is secure and free of vulnerabilities. These are all critical factors to consider when evaluating the fundamentals of an altcoin. Alright, so you found some altcoins with strong narratives and solid fundamentals. Now it's time to look at the market metrics to see how these coins are performing in the real world. First up, market capitalization. This is simply the total value of all coins in circulation. Generally speaking, larger cap coins are considered less risky, but also have less potential for explosive growth. Smaller cap coins, on the other hand, carry higher risk, but also offer the potential for much higher returns. It's all about finding the right balance for your risk tolerance. I personally like to diversify my portfolio across a mix of large, mid, and small cap altcoins. Next, look at trading volume. This is the total value of coins traded over a specific period. High trading volume indicates strong liquidity, which means you can easily buy or sell your coins without significantly impacting the price. Avoid coins with very low trading volumes, as they can be illiquid and difficult to trade. Finally, pay attention to the circulating supply, max supply, and inflation rate of the token. A high circulating supply relative to the max supply can indicate potential for future dilution, which could negatively impact the price. Understanding these market metrics will give you a better understanding of an altcoin's overall health and potential for growth. Now let's talk about price history. While past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results, it can provide valuable insights into an altcoin's price action and market sentiment. When analyzing price history, look for coins that have shown strong historical performance during previous bull runs or steady accumulation phases. These coins have demonstrated their ability to weather market storms and come out on top. On the other hand, be wary of coins that consistently bleed in value without showing signs of recovery. These coins may be facing fundamental challenges or simply lack market interest. It's also important to look for patterns and trends in the price chart. Are there any recurring support or resistance levels? Is the coin forming a bullish or bearish pattern? Technical analysis can be a powerful tool for identifying potential entry and exit points. Remember, price history is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's an important one. By analyzing historical price action, you can gain a better understanding of an altcoin's market dynamics and potential for future growth. Partnerships and real-world adoption are crucial indicators of an altcoin's long-term viability. After all, a project can have the best technology in the world, but if no one is using it, it's ultimately meaningless. Look for altcoins that have established partnerships with credible companies or institutions. These partnerships can provide validation, resources, and access to new markets. For example, a DeFi project that partners with a major bank could gain access to a wider customer base and increased credibility. Real-world adoption is equally important. Are there businesses or individuals actually using the altcoin for its intended purpose? The more widely adopted an altcoin is, the more valuable it becomes. Check for case studies, news articles, and user testimonials that demonstrate real-world use cases. A project with strong partnerships and growing adoption is more likely to succeed in the long run. Remember, partnerships and adoption are key indicators of an altcoin's potential to transition from a promising concept to a real-world solution. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, so staying updated on the latest developments is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Follow the project's social media accounts, GitHub repositories, and official announcements for updates. Pay attention to major news and developments in the industry, as they can have a ripple effect on the entire market. Join the project's communities, such as Telegram or Discord groups, to gauge sentiment and engage with other community members. These groups can be valuable sources of information, insights, and even early warning signs of potential problems. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto world. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the market and make sound investment decisions. Staying updated requires consistent effort, but it's essential for staying ahead of the curve and identifying emerging opportunities. Remember the golden rule of investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is especially true in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Diversifying your portfolio across different altcoins and sectors can help mitigate risk and protect your investments. Instead of going all in on a single altcoin, spread your investments across multiple projects with different risk profiles. This way, if one investment underperforms, the others can potentially offset the losses. Consider diversifying across different narratives as well. For example, you could invest in altcoins focused on DeFi, gaming, the metaverse, and Web3 infrastructure. This approach helps you capitalize on the growth potential of multiple sectors while reducing your exposure to any single trend. Remember, diversification is your best friend when it comes to managing risk in the cryptocurrency market. Timing the market perfectly is notoriously difficult, even for experienced investors. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on time in the market. Consider using a dollar-cost averaging strategy, where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of the market price. This approach helps you average out your entry point and reduces the impact of market volatility. Remember, patience is key in the cryptocurrency market. Don't expect to get rich quick. Be prepared to hold your investments for the long term and weather the inevitable market ups and downs. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, can lead to poor decision-making. Similarly, don't get caught up in hype cycles or blindly chase pumps. Stick to your investment strategy, do your research, and be patient. The cryptocurrency market is still in its early stages, and the biggest gains are likely yet to come. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, and it's essential to have a solid risk management plan in place. First and foremost, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate wildly. Be prepared for the possibility of losing a significant portion of your investment. Consider setting stop-loss orders to automatically sell your altcoins if the price drops below a certain threshold. This can help limit your potential losses. You can also allocate a portion of your portfolio to lower-risk assets, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. These established cryptocurrencies tend to be less volatile than smaller altcoins and can provide a degree of stability to your portfolio. Remember, risk management is not about eliminating risk altogether, but rather about understanding and mitigating it. By implementing a sound risk management strategy, you can protect your investments and increase your chances of success in the long run. So there you have it, my step-by-step guide to mastering altcoin selection. By combining these steps with consistent research and monitoring, you can increase your chances of selecting altcoins with strong potential for growth while minimizing risks. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed, adapt your strategies as needed, and never stop learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. I'll see you in the next videos.